Okay, good people. Welcome to day 7 of our daily Python test. I wanted to go live today, but YouTube said I should wait 24 hours access to live streaming. So tomorrow we go live. For today's challenge, we were asked to create a function that checks for double letters in a string. Our function takes in only one parameter and then returns true if it finds two consecutive letters repeat itself, or false if otherwise happens. So first things first, we're going to create our function before I think about how we're going to do this, because I'm not really sure right now. And then it takes in one parameter, so we're going from the known to the unknown. Okay, now I know how we're going to do this. We use the index of each letter, how they appear in the word, and then compare the one after the word with the one before it. And yeah, let me just show you how all this goes, then I'll explain everything at once. So we've taken in our parameter, then we're going to create a for loop to loop through the entire word. So for, let's say, letter in word, then we're using the indices, so let's check this out in the length of the entire word. Then we're now going to check if the one before and the one after are the same, and then return true. So say if word, and then we check for letter that's in word is equal to word, and then letter plus 1. That means if the current word we're looking at is the same as the word in front of it, I know that's a way to look at it, but let's just see if this works. Instead, we should be checking for the one behind it, right? Yeah, to check for the one behind it, instead we're going to use -1 here, and then we're going to instead we're going to do this. We just minus here and allow this to check for if the word is equal to the word behind it, then it should return true for us. Then if not, it should return false. So if you say else, return false. No, I think there's a problem with this. If we do else here, each iteration, each time it checks each word, like let's say we have a word here, like word now, after it checks this, to check for the next one to return false immediately. But we don't want that. We want it to return false after it has checked everything and make sure nothing like that happens. Like for instance, if we had words like this and it just checked these two, return false, whereas these two are consecutively repeated. So instead of return false here, we're going to take this out and make return false come here at the starting of this loop. So after the loop completes, then if it does not find consecutive words, then it returns false. Let's test out our code. The moment of truth. So we see double letters and then passing a string. Let's see, hello, as I said here. Let's run code. Yes, it worked. Congratulations, my people. Remember to like, subscribe, share, support us. Let's keep doing this every day, and I'm going to get better audio soon. I'm working on it. Just keep supporting me. We're getting there. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow on our live stream. Please remember, live stream. I think I'll create a post later about the time I'm going to do live stream. It's going to be around 10 o'clock or something. So 10 o'clock West African time. Save the time, keep the dates.